What if I told you that your next juicy steak might not come from a cow? That's right, we're talking about lab-grown steak. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's real and it's getting tastier by the day. So, buckle up, meat lovers, because we're about to explore the fascinating world of meat made in a lab. This isn't some Frankenstein experiment, people. It's about creating genuine meat, but without the mooing, the methane, and the massive environmental impact. Intrigued? Stay tuned. Let's face it, our love affair with meat comes with a hefty price tag for our planet. Raising livestock for meat requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy. Think about it. Cows need acres of pasture to graze, gallons of water to drink, and tons of feed to grow. And that's not all. Cows are notorious for their methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. The environmental impact of traditional meat production is huge. We're talking deforestation, water pollution, and a big chunk of greenhouse gas emissions. That's a lot of baggage for a burger. So how do you grow a steak in a lab? It's not magic, though it might sound like it. It all starts with a small sample of animal cells, usually muscle cells. These cells are like tiny seeds that hold the potential for growth. Scientists place these cells in a nutrient-rich solution, kind of like a superpowered smoothie, where they multiply and grow. Think of it like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients and the right environment for the cake to rise and bake perfectly. The cells are our ingredients, the nutrient solution is our oven, and voila, we have a lab-grown meat. No farms, no slaughterhouses, just science doing its thing. It's pretty cool when you think about it. The benefits of lab-grown meat are as juicy as the steak itself. First off, it's a huge win for the environment. We can say goodbye to massive cattle farms, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and save precious land and water resources. It's like giving Mother Earth a much-needed break. Then there's the ethical angle. Lab-grown meat means no more animal suffering in factory farms. We can produce meat without harming animals, which is a win for animal welfare advocates and ethically minded eaters. And let's not forget about food safety. Growing meat in a controlled environment reduces the risk of contamination and foodborne illnesses. That's a win for everyone. Imagine a future where meat doesn't cost the earth. Lab-grown meat has the potential to revolutionize the way we eat. It can create a more sustainable, ethical, and efficient food system. We're talking about feeding a growing population without putting a strain on our planet. That's a future worth fighting for. This technology is still in its early stages, but it's evolving rapidly. As research progresses and production costs decrease, lab-grown meat could become a common sight in supermarkets and restaurants. It might sound crazy now, but so did smartphones a few decades ago. Think you know everything about lab-grown meat? Think again. Here are 3 lesser-known facts that might surprise you. 1. Lab-grown meat isn't just beef. Scientists are working on growing all sorts of meats, including chicken, pork, and even seafood. Imagine lab-grown sushi. 2. Lab-grown meat can be healthier. Scientists can tweak the fat content and add nutrients to make lab-grown meat healthier than traditional meat. It's like a customized steak made just for you. 3. Lab-grown meat can be 3D printed. That's right, scientists are exploring ways to 3D print lab-grown meat into different shapes and sizes. Think chicken nuggets in the shape of dinosaurs. Lab-grown meat might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a real and delicious solution to some of the biggest challenges facing our planet. It's time to embrace this innovative technology and support the companies and scientists working to make it a reality. So, the next time you're craving a juicy steak, remember that the future of meat is here, and it's lab-grown. Let's raise a glass to a more sustainable, ethical, and delicious future. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. Do not forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.